So these are a bust for me.
Welcome to the Great British Baking Show.
Oh shoot, it's still recording. So I was really excited to get these clear clip-on baskets at the Dollar Tree, and then also this egg one that I found. I was really excited because, as you know, we have chickens, so this would be really nice in the summer because we end up just getting cartons from friends or saving cartons. But anyway, this was the thing I was most excited about, and it doesn't work. See how it goes up? I have a lip on my shelves that doesn't allow me to do this. So these are a bust for me. These are what I was most excited about. I have to figure out how to label them because I want them to be labeled. I might just use Sharpie, but I love that they're clear because I can see through them. So I'm super pumped about that. Alright, so you're gonna cream in that sugar.
Hell yeah, it was creaming.
Just
Like
make sure.
scoop.
What? Perfect. Now bump it. And then one more. Okay, awesome. You put your shell in here. Yeah. Or put the flour in there.
Yeah.
Do I want to bale it?
I want to.
You're gonna put it in the quails thing for me? Just toss it in there so they can burrow in it. Just loosely, just toss them.
Welcome to the Great British Baking Show. Today we are gonna make sugar cookies. Yay!
Ready? Get set? Bake!
And these are the cutters we're gonna be using. We have the stocking, we have the candy cane, and of course we have to have the snowman. Do you wanna build a snowman?